Oh, hi there. Come join us as Nina makes her very first aloo paratha. So Nina made this ball of dough for making aloo paratha with half a cup of atta, about 3 tablespoons of water, and rolled into a dough. We'll set it aside for an hour at least until it becomes nice and soft. So the soft one looks like this, very easy and palatable because the glutinous form. The fresher one is still kind of a little hard and the gluten is not formed yet. Okay, let's see. Nina's going to try to mash the whole thing, but if it doesn't work, then we can do half at a time. This needs to be very well mashed because you don't want big chunks in the paratha. It would make holes in through the dough. We don't have to mash it all the way at this stage because we still need to add all the masalas. And you can also mash it with a fork. There goes the haldi. Mirchi. Yeah, that's good. Yep, that's good enough.
And this is the
dhania
powder.
Yep, this is dhania powder. And then you can put some amchur. Yep. Yeah, 1 spoon oil.
How much?
Just a little bit. Just without the seeds. Capture the seeds in that's enough. So now you can mash it together with the spices. So it's nice and smooth. The size of a small ball for a small paratha. And roll it nice and smooth. Fully submerge and coat in the dry one because that's what's going to prevent it from sticking to the board. Yeah, and then gently roll it. Yep, there you got it. Yeah, there you go. And then flip it on the other side to get some dough there also. You don't need as much as we did in Portugal. This one because it doesn't taste very good with too much. And then turn the thing around. Yeah, there, and then.
Same size as the ball of atta?
Yeah. A lot of people will have less stuffing, so you can choose any way you want, just as long as the ball is nicely fully covered from all sides. Take this one and flap to the back side to make that side double-sided. Yeah, there you go. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that's plenty. Yeah, there you go. That's enough. What? Perfect. And then move the dough around. Yeah, there you go. And then roll it. Because we don't want to burn it on the tawa before it starts to rip apart. There you go. Now there's some bubbles popping up. It's starting to cook, right? So just flip it all the way. Yeah, then flip it.
Much oil?
About a teaspoon and spread it evenly on it.
Oil,
and put the oil on the other side. Yeah, and then press it a little bit. Yeah. The oil. And then you flip it again in a bit. And then just press it again. Yeah. At this point, cooking is done, but it's up to how much brown you want, how much crisp you want.
Okay.
Right? Okay. And the plate.
Oh, that's very done.
Yeah, this is looking nice and crisp. So just, we'll get a plate now. Serve this yummy paratha with some coconut yogurt, achar, chutneys, veggies, really anything you like. It is delicious. So enjoy and join us for the next video. Thank you.